this section we will see the analytics and the cloud, or analytics and the cloud computing. So analytics applications are effective tools which are used for turning the data into actionable information which help drive gains to the bottom line. With data velocity, volume and variety growing larger, it is critical to exploit the data to drive revenue. However, deploying analytics often takes months to implement, and analytic applications are expensive to buy and maintain. For like we can take example of companies lack analytics talent, like if we will see how vendors are trying to sell cloud infrastructures to IT. So when business turn to their trusted vendors, HP, Cisco, IBM, they discover that all of them want to sell the massive cloud projects. So another large area of cloud cost is storage. Cloud-based storage services includes Amazon, Dropbox, which increasingly are popular in the recent years, we can say. So now starting with the analytics and the cloud, the first one is the social data and cloud. The descriptive phenomena of social media lends itself to leveraging the cloud for competitive advantage. If we will see during the past decade, social media applications data has almost mushroomed. Where once there were only blogs and few teen oriented applications such as Friendster, MySpace, there are now virtually countless social media and concentrated blog sites where hundreds of millions of people are interacting with each other. However, the social media world and data it produces is really vast and varied. It is almost impossible to monitor all relevant social media sites and conduct other business. But that's exactly what companies should consider to be able to fully understand the customer's desires and aspirations. So for this, again cloud is one of the best approach. Vendors offer social media monitoring services based in the cloud with their own customized cloud communities, like media monitoring services that is also based in the cloud with other own customized cloud communities, which helps companies to follow engage the social media activities with the customers. And companies are using this information to analyze the customer sentiment and then turn that into the actionable insight which will address the customer needs for developing the new products and enhancing and customizing the experiences. So with the social media monitoring service, companies can subscribe to services which help them to monitor social media sites such as Twitter, Reddit and Facebook. So this ability choose the actionable targets for further actions which help the companies to use the resources effectively. Then the next comes, that is mobile solutions and cloud. Speaking of more effective use of resources, the final descriptive technologies, that is mobility, has spawned an entirely new definition of two of the most basic resources, that is space and time. Offices are pass, road wears rules. In some instances, it's not practical to do business from desk, and it hasn't been for many years. So, IT infrastructure housed within company walls and accompanying the needs for all the company's IT resources to be very uniform. The increase in mobile computing challenges everything, that is connectivity, security, flexibility, applications, and services on demand. Mobile computing requires the agility. The time it takes to build and deploy the large centralized IT staff and infrastructure can make it difficult to keep pace with the mobile workforce and the customer base. Again, in this case, the cloud comes in very handy case. By collaborating with the cloud vendor, companies can outsource the cost and maintenance of multiple device access for their workers. They can provide their workers with secure virtual desktop which presents the standardized interface and application set, no matter the device or location where it is. This ability fosters true mobility and worker autonomy as well as the virtual collaboration. So that is mobile solution and cloud. Then comes MBI, that is Mobile Business Intelligence. So business intelligence refers to the computer-based techniques which are used in spotting, digging out, and analyzing the business data such as sales revenue by the products or departments. The mobile business intelligence is defined as the capability which enables the mobile workforce to gain business insights through information analysis using the applications for mobile devices. Mobile business intelligence is the ability to access the BI related data such as KPIs, business metrics, dashboards on mobile devices. And for that, the mobile BI applications can be segregated as follows, that is mobile browser rendered app, which is almost any mobile devices enables web based theme client HTML BI application. These apps are static and providing little data interactivity. The second one is the customized app. The setup from this approach is to render each reports and dashboards in device specific formats. We can say it provides the information specific to the screen size, optimize the usage of screen real estate, and enables the device specific navigation controls. For example, BlackBerry, which is having the gestural manipulation for iPhone. And the third one is the mobile client app, the most advanced client app which provides full interactivity with BI content viewed on the device. In addition, this approach provides the periodic caching of data which can be viewed and analyzed even we are offline. So this is similar to desktop computer which create the native application which is designed specifically for the mobile devices. So this is all about analytics and cloud computing, or analytics and cloud, how cloud is used in big data analytics. So this was all about the cloud and the analytics, how they are correlated with each other. Now in the next section we will see the crowdsourcing analytic. Thank you.